Okay, let's jump right in. There is a massive seismic shift happening in the pharmaceutical industry right now. And it's not what you think. It's not some new blockbuster drug. It's not a new regulation. It's artificial intelligence. And believe me, it's changing absolutely everything.
This right here, this is the single most important idea we're going to talk about. This isn't some story about robots taking over jobs. No way. It's about people. People who learn how to use these new tools, replacing those who just don't. The rules of the game are being rewritten as we speak. So what does this turning point actually feel like? Well, it's the rapid, and I mean really rapid way, that AI is being woven into the day-to-day fabric of the industry. This is not a drill, and it's not something to think about someday. It is happening right now.
So just how real is all this? Look, AI has officially left the lab. It's not a cool concept from a sci-fi movie anymore. It's a practical, get-your-hands-dirty tool that's being used all across the pharma world.
And what's truly mind-blowing is just how widespread this is. I mean, think about drug discovery. AI can chew through millions of molecular compounds in a single afternoon. That's a job that would have taken a whole team of brilliant scientists years to do. It's also keeping an eye on clinical trials, spotting safety signals way earlier than we ever could, and even helping draft those super complex regulatory documents. It's everywhere.
And let's talk about this scale for a second. We're not just talking about saving a few minutes here and there. We are talking about automating thousands of hours of routine, manual, frankly, kind of boring work. This frees up the human experts, you, to focus on the stuff that really matters: strategy, critical thinking, and making those big picture decisions. Now, this brings us to something that's, well, a little uncomfortable. Because a shift this big creates a real dilemma for every single person working in pharma today. You're basically standing at a career crossroads.
To really bring this home, let's just do a quick thought experiment. I want you to picture two colleagues. They could be in any department: quality assurance, regulatory affairs, you name it. They have the exact same degree, the same number of years of experience, same job title. On paper, they're identical. But there is one single game-changing difference between them. Professional B knows how to use AI tools safely and effectively in their job, and Professional A doesn't. So who wins? Who's going to be more productive, more accurate? And ultimately, who's going to be more valuable to the company? The answer is pretty obvious, isn't it? This is the new dividing line between good and great. Okay, so that's the problem, but here's the good news. There's a clear path forward. This isn't some impossible mountain to climb. So let's talk about the playbook, the actual skills you need to have. And let me just get one huge fear out of the way right now. This is not about you needing to become a coder or a data scientist. Forget that. This is about empowering the people who are already experts: the quality professionals, the medical writers, the clinical researchers. See, the skills you need are all about application. It boils down to 4 simple things. 1, knowing how to use AI to automate your actual real-world job tasks. 2, knowing how to protect confidential data while you do it. 3, knowing how to check the AI's work and validate its output. And 4, the big one, how to do all of this while staying compliant in this super regulated environment we work in. And let me just say this one more time because it's that important. You can learn and apply all of these game-changing skills without writing a single line of code. This is about working smarter, not turning into a software engineer overnight. So it all comes down to this. We're at a moment of decision. Every single professional in this industry is facing a choice, and it's an active choice that will define the rest of your career. Let's be crystal clear about something. The technology itself, the abstract idea of AI, is not going to replace you. It's not coming for your job. The real risk isn't the algorithm. The risk is the colleague down the hall, the person who figures out how to use these tools to work faster, smarter, and better than you. That's the competition. The very definition of what it takes to be a top performer in the pharma industry is changing right now, under our feet. So the only question left is the one you have to ask yourself. Are you going to be the one who adapts, who learns, and who uses AI to lead the charge?